of CCS Leave Rules 1972, the authority competent to grant leave shall suo motu issue an order granting cash equivalent of leave salary for both earned leave and half leave, if any, at the credit of government servant on the date of his retirement. So, options are Rule 38, Rule 38A, Rule 39 and Rule 41. So, you can see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is here 39. Rule 39 means option number C. Next question. This is also related to leave rules. So, question is, Mr. Subhash Pandey retired from service on superannuation on 31st November 2021. He had the following leave to his credit on the date of retirement: EL 210, SPL 200. So, question is, how much SPL will be taken for calculating his cash equivalent to leave salary apart from 210 days of EL. So, as you know, what is the rule for leave encashment on superannuation? The maximum 300 days can be encashed. So, question here is that what includes 300 days? So, basically it includes EL and SPL. So, and that is, remember, that is only number of days of either that would be EL or CL. We cannot commit here SPL, and so correct answer should be, since EL is 210, then SPL should be how much? That should be 90 days. So correct answer would be B, option number B. Next question. Next question is, what is the full form of NUUP in banking? So basically this is related to banking system, where mobile banking is used. So this is related to that only. So NUUP means, what is that? So this is the correct answer of this question is National Unified USSD Platform. Actually, what is this NUUP? Actually, this is a mobile banking service of NPCI. NPCI means National Payment Corporation of India. As you know, NPCI has been facilitating banking services for making payment, and actually you can say this is the part of digital payments or digital revolution started by Government of India. So here correct answer would be option number D. And there is, you can say, another question in this question also, that is USSD. What is this USSD? USSD means unstructured supplementary service data. So next question we'll go to next question. Next question is, what is the full form of QSAM in banking? So this is also related to payment in mobile banking specifically. So actually it is a kind of service where Aadhaar based, you can say, service is there. So the answer for this is query service on Aadhaar. Mapper. So your answer would be option number C. Next question. what is the basic language used by children in a computer program? So correct answer of this is logo. Next question, what is the correct form of the term HTTP in internet address? So this is quite easy. So correct answer is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So correct answer would be D. Next question. So what is the shortcut key to highlight the entire column? So for that you have to use Control plus space bar. So correct answer would be option number D. Next, is DNS is an acronym. DNS is an acronym for Domain Name System. So correct answer is option number D. Next, easy question. Unsolicited commercial email is known as. This question is asked many times. So for this your answer is spam. It is called a spam. Actually you might have received emails from different, you can say, commercial entities just for promoting their product. So your answer would be spam. Next question, how many digits are there in mobile money identifier? So as you know, there are 7 digits, that is unique. So your correct answer would be option number A. Next question, we'll go to next question. So question number 11. Next question is, Recep Tayyip Erdogan was re-elected as president of which country? So as you know, Erdogan is the president of Turkey. So your correct answer is option number D. Actually it is mentioned here as C, and in C Sudan is also there, but that should be D. Should be D there. So correct answer is D. Next is Central Civil Services Pension Rules 2021 has been notified in the official gazette on. So you have to tell only the date. So actually it was, you have to remember, or you can just remember, it was passed in the month of December. So you can see the option, there are only one option for December, so that would be 20th December 2021. So option number B is the correct answer. Next question. Central Civil Services Pension Rules 2021 came into force on. So again, actually the same date on which it was published, from that day itself it is effective. So correct answer again would be 20 December 2021. We'll go to next question. Question number 14. Central Civil Services Pension Rules 2021 shall apply to the government servants appointed on or before. So this is very easy. Actually this is talking about OPS. So as you know, the government servant who were appointed before or on 31st December 2003. So your correct answer would be option number B. Next question. Central Civil Services Pension Rules 2021 shall be applicable to. So as you know, CCS pension rules is applicable to only government servants. So you can see the options. Railway servants, that cannot be, because there are separate rules for railway government servant. Next, members of All India services. So for All India services there are separate set of rules, so this will not be also your answer. Next is civilian government servant in defense system. This is correct. So option number C would be correct answer. Next is Central Civil Services Pension Rules 2021 shall not apply to. So as we discussed earlier, railway servants, they are not covered under this rule. They have separate sets of rules for pension. So this should not be applicable to them. Option number B, person in casual and daily rated employment. So they are also not covered under this CCS pension rules 2021. Persons paid from contingencies. Actually, persons paid from contingency, they are also not covered under CCS pension rule. So it means our answer would be option number D, all of the above. Okay, next question. CCS pension rules 2021 shall also apply to 1. A government servant who was put on induction training on or before 31st day of December 2003, followed by appointment on regular basis after 31st day of December 2003. So this was also notified by government that even though CCS pension rule means OPS is applicable to those government servants who were appointed on or before 2003, but if a government servant was inducted on or before 31st December 2003, but their regular appointment were made on or after 1st January 2004, they will also be covered under OPS, means CCS pension rules 2021. So next statement is a government servant appointed after 31st December 2003 to a civil service or a post in connection with the affairs of the Union, if he fulfills the condition for coverage under these rules in accordance with any special or general order issued by government in this regard. So if they are covered, then of course they will be covered under CCS pension rule 2021. So here both the options are correct. So our answer would be option number C. Next question. The next question, what is the name of online system for sanction of retirement benefits and tracking of sanction and payment of pension by the government servant and the authorities concerned with sanction of pension to the government servant? So as you know, there is a website, the name of that website is Bhavishya. So our option correct answer would be option number A, Bhavish. So now as you know, every papers related to pension would be processed through Bhavish portal only, so that government servant, or you can say the person who is going to retire or has retired, will see his or her papers. On that paper, what is the status of that documents or request. So our correct answer is option number A. Next is head of department. I defined under CCS pension rules 2021 means an authority specified in schedule 1 2. So this is talking about head of the department. So basically head of the department is the head of any organization, or you can say a department. So this has been defined under which schedule of particular options, you can say. So as you know, this is the question, and answer of this question is CCS pension rule 1972. Earlier actually this rule was considered, or the name of this CCS pension rule was CCS pension rules 1972. The same has been, you can say, redefined as CCS pension rules 2021. So here our correct answer is CCS pension rules 1972. We'll go to next question. Next question. So next question is, which among the following is the service in which a government servant receives his pay with sanction of the government from any source other than the consolidated fund of India? So remember, we have read earlier that if you are receiving, you here means government servant. If a government servant is receiving his or her pay with the sanction of government from any source other than consolidated fund of India, so that would be treated as what? That would be treated as foreign service. We have earlier discussed what is the difference between deputation and free, you can say, foreign service, not freelance service. So that freelance service, that has been given just to confuse you. So our correct answer is foreign service, option number C. Next is, where a government servant who has been granted commuted leave resigns from service, or at his request permitted to retire voluntarily without returning to duty, the commuted leave shall be treated as, what would be treated as? So as you have read earlier that once you resign before coming back to the duty, then your commutation facility will not be given to you. So if it is not commuted, then of course they should be treated as HPL, means half pay leave. So your correct answer would be option number A. So now next question. Next question is, definition is mentioned in which rule of CCS pension rules 2021? So your correct answer is rule number 3. So next question. Next question. Pension disbursing authority as defined under CCS pension rules 21 includes. So basically, who are the pension disbursing authority? So as you know, account officer is a pensioner disbursing authority. Post office is also pension disbursing authority, and bank and treasury, bank or treasury, it is also pension disbursing authority. So our answer would be all the above. Next, which among the following statements are correct with regard to CCS pension rules 2021? Statement number 1, what it says? It says the day on which a government servant retires or is retired or is discharged or is allowed to resign from service, as the case may be, shall be treated as his last completed working day. So this is correct. This statement number 1 is correct. Statement number 2, it says the date of death of a government servant shall also be treated as a completed working day. As you know, whether a government servant dies in the morning or evening or at night, that particular date would be treated as duty, or you can say completed working day for that government servant. So here both the statements are correct. So answer for this question would be both the statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option number C. Next question. In a case where government servant immediately before his retirement or death was absent from duty on leave or otherwise, or was under suspension, the day of retirement or death shall be. So as you know, the day would be treated as part of such leave or absence or suspension. So here your correct answer would be option number A. So we will just stop here and discuss next day. Remaining question we will discuss on next day. So that's all for today. Thank you.